Darling, steer it up. Come on and steer it up. You play a song. Okay, it's my turn. What was the song that I used to play? Oh, yeah. That one. Game Miss Flower, yung bromas, kinainigan po, ramizaza.
But yeah, he was a musician too. Well, he's pretty much who I looked up to growing up when I wanted to like sing and make write songs.
That's all he talks about, music. Every day he talks about music. Non-stop.
Yeah. He would like pinch me if I sing the wrong note. But, yo, that's not how you do it. You know? He wouldn't do anything to him because all he does is rap. You know? It's an identity, so other people can understand about us, about our people, our culture. That's like the best way we could, as musicians, as Marshallese musicians, or even Micronesian musicians, to tell the world about us.
We can't go to our brother's funeral because of COVID. And the more we spread it, the longer it's gonna happen to other people who can't go back home because of COVID. If we work together to fight COVID, the shorter COVID is gonna last, because we don't want other people to feel the same way we're feeling right now. You're my sweet love.